This video I'll teach you to make 40k every month with this niche. Close your eyes. Imagine yourself making 40,000 every month. Travel, you pay off your parents' debt, you invest in things, whatever the place, Dubai, whatever the place, or Africa. You become rich. You may be making this money every month, back to back, back to back, back to back. That is life changing money. So I'll show you how it's done, how you can have it, give you the idea, and now 10,000 a month is life changing money. Put that in your mind. Put it as your goal for this year. I must make 10,000 every month. You'll make it if you're determined, serious, persistent, everything. Let's get to the video. This channel talks about animation, talks about cartoon and all. I've gotten 2 billion views. I've posted 631 times. And for the last 30 days, made 47 million views. That crazy. Let's look at how much they made for each channel. Like this one, channel here made 11 million views. How much made 1,000. This is channel here, 1,200 videos. Then if one we're looking at frame order is this. Gonna make 6 figures in a month. 100k. Because the views is crazy, bro. So it's at least 100k. Just by this another one. Full version. Posted like 4 times. They posted just 4 times. They don't need to work again. Because the views, it's crazy. See this one, 10 million views, and they will still getting views from now. This video they can make alone, let's say 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. Crazy. It's funny. It'll be so funny. So, bro, to have ideas of this kind of, to be doing this kind of videos. I know this advert or whatever. You can create. I'm just giving you an idea. To be creating this kind of videos, bro. Just need to have the knowledge, and without the knowledge, you can go to like Upwork, them cartoon animation. They will do it for you. Cartoon and 3D, whatever. You see it, $25 per hour. Give it $25, they'll do it for you. Dollars, they'll do it for you. It's as simple as that. And script. I'll give them a script. Or I'll give you a script, so $10. Voiceover as well. Voiceover. It's $9. United States house. But voiceover, the voiceover is very realistic. So it's this expensive. I still do this one as well. So bro, just think about this one as a good idea. Let's also do this. a good niche. It's very engaging because children like this kind of topic. You get views easily because they're interested in it. Go to the link in my description if you need my help. If you want to be rich this year, very serious to be rich this year. Go to the link in my description. As for me, I'm out.